Just imagine for a second that you are sitting in a large box, and all that you understand about this box is that it has 4 walls around you and a floor, and you're thinking about how to get up. And the truth is that you will never be able to get out of the box unless you are willing to look up and discover that there is actually no lid on the box, that there is no lid that prevents you from jumping out or climbing out of the box. It's a bit like Michael Scofield from Prison Break, who managed to escape the prison by seeing things that other people didn't see. Anyone watch Prison Break here? When it comes to transformation, it's not simply a matter of adding skills or adding knowledge. If you look at a library, it's not about adding more and more books to the library, but it's about changing the structure and the setup of the library itself, how you arrange things, how you arrange knowledge blocks, and how you make sense of the experiences that you had so far. It's about changing your mindset. You have to be able to imagine possible future versions of you or future selves, and that is based on the belief that you can change, that right now this is the way you are, these are the skills that you have, the knowledge that you have, but it's only a temporary situation. Although you do not have those photography skills yet that you would like to have, but you want to become a famous and successful photographer, it doesn't mean that you will never get there. You are just not there yet. But in order to get there, you have to start at least by having the capability to imagine that, to imagine the possibility that one day you can be that successful photographer. So if right now you feel lost or stuck in your career, or perhaps you even lost your job because of this situation, it's time to move on. Think seriously about where you want to go and what it takes to get there, especially in terms of mindset. What is the mindset that is holding you back, and how do you need to change that mindset so that you can move forward? And also, how do you need to change the way that you see yourself? Let's say that right now you are a pharmacist and you want to become a photographer, and perhaps right now as pharmacists you are very well respected and highly regarded for your high education and your knowledge and so on, and you tend to see yourself just as a pharmacist, and it is really difficult for you to change your mindset and imagine that sometime in the future you could be a successful photographer. And that makes it really difficult to change, because if you want to change, you have to at least have that vision in your head. You have to have that image in your head, seeing yourself as a successful photographer. And this is where the concept of self-image and changing your self-image comes into place. And as this is another huge topic, I will save this for another time.